Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to our class. Today is 23 June 2020. Right now we will continue to study chapter 14, Triangles. So lesson 4, you will continue to do exercise about finding unknown angle. Now we start in our classwork. In workbook on page 119, 120. Practice 4. Finding unknown angle. Number 1. In the following figure, triangle LMO is an equilateral triangle and triangle MNO is an isosceles triangle. So we need to find the angle MNO. Now you can look in our picture together. One picture but it combines two triangles. One triangle LMO is an equilateral triangle and one more triangle MNO is a isosceles triangle. So MNO, it is the angle that we need to find the angle N. How do we do? So right now, teacher will give some clue for you to think and to find. We can move in our solution together. Angle OMN equal angle MON. Why? Because two angles equally. Because it is the isosceles triangle. Here you can look MON. It is the isosceles triangle. So it means that OMN equal MON. It means two sides equally. So we need to find the angle N. But when you look angle M, we have the perpendicular. So perpendicular it means 90 degrees. So angle M it is 90 degrees, but one side that we need to find the smaller isosceles triangle. How do we do? Yes, so you must thinking about the first step. So what number we use? We use 182 minus or we use 92 minus. Because angle M it is the perpendicular or it is a right angle also because we have the perpendicular, right? So the first step we need to find how do we do? And actually when we know the first step already, we need to find the angle M and O. M and O. It because the angle M and O, it is an isosceles triangle. If you know one side angle O, if you know one side angle M, so we can find the vertex angle N by taking 180 minus one side, minus one side. So we know the answer of angle N. So teacher cannot find all the number for you, but I give the some clue for you. Try to think and using your own operation. Okay. Exercise number 2. In the following figure, triangle PQT is an equilateral triangle. Triangle PRS is an isosceles triangle. Angle QPR equal angle RPS equal angle SPT. but we need to find the angle P or S. We look in our picture together. So P, Q, T is an equilateral triangle, but it combines the small isosceles triangle P or S. Angle R that we need to find. Before we find the angle R, we need to thinking about the triangle PQT that we call equilateral triangle. Because it is the equilateral triangle, so it means one side angle P equals 60 degrees, and angle Q equals 60 degrees also, and angle T equals 60 degrees also. So it means that the vertex of angle P equals 60. But if we have three sides like this, how do we do? So teacher gives some clue for you. You look together. QPT equals 60 degrees because QPT is an equilateral triangle. If we call it is the equilateral triangle, so it means angle P equals 60 divided by 3. Why we need to divide by 3 equal 20 degrees? Because one side equal 20 degrees, two sides equal 40 degrees, and three sides equal 60 degrees. If we don't know about the angle inside the vertex angle P, how can we find the angle P or S? Because P or S, it is the isosceles triangle until we know the vertex angle P. Yes. So you can complete your own operation. How many degrees for angle P or S? If you know one side of angle R, we can know one side of angle S. But if you want to find angle R and angle S, we know the vertex of angle P. How many degrees? Teacher will tell you already. So angle P equal 20 degrees because we got 60 divided by 3. So vertex equal 20 degrees. If you want to find each side, how do we do? Yes, so try to do your own operation, right? Thank you for your pay attention in the second picture. Number 3. Triangle ADB is an equilateral triangle and angle BCD equal 54 degrees and AB is perpendicular to BC. So we need to find the angle ADC here. So look in our picture together. D that we need to find here. So it means D we have two parts of angle. Because ABD is an equilateral triangle. So it means angle D equals 60 degrees here. But we need to find one more part of angle D. How do we do? So right now we look in our solution. Teacher gives some clue for you. So ADB equals 60 degrees. Teacher will tell you already, right? So angle D equals 60 degrees because it is the equilateral triangle. Yes. So it means that if you want to find angle B, B is perpendicular. So we need to find one part of angle B. So by we take 90 degree minus with 60 degree equals 30 degree. So it means angle B, the small angle equals 30 degree. And then we need to find the angle BDC here. BDC. So we need to find angle D. How do we do? if we know the angle B equals 30 degree, and if we know the angle C equals 54 degree. So if you want to find angle D, how do we do? Right? So you can thinking about the sum of angle in a triangle, how many degree? 2 minus. After you know the angle D already, the last time to find the total angle D by taking ADB plus with angle BDC. So we need to find angle ADB. How many degree ADB? This one, 60 degree. And then angle BDC. The answer that you got from the operation. And after you can plot two paths of angle, so we can know the total angle D. Yeah. So try to thinking carefully. Number 4, the last one. Triangle BCD and triangle ABD are isosceles triangle. So we need to find the angle BAD. Yeah, so we can look in our picture together. Angle BAD. So we need to find the angle A. But angle BAD is an isosceles triangle too. So I mean B is the vertex. If you want to find angle A, the first time we must thinking how to do it. Right now, teacher gives some clue in our solution. Angle DBC equal angle DCB. So it means angle B equal angle C because it is the isosceles triangle. B is the vertex. If you want to know about the vertex, so it means we need to relate to about the angle BDC. BDC also isosceles triangle too. If we know about the vertex angle D 72, so how to find the one part angle B? Yeah, as you can look in our number by taking 180 minus what number? 72. Yeah, teacher have some for number, right? And then after we got answer angle B, how many degree? Yeah. If you know the angle B already, next we need to find one more step, angle DBA. DBA. How do we do? If we know angle B, the first step, if you want to find angle B one more part, so we just think about angle on straight line, right? So by taking 180 minus the answer from angle DBC that we do in the first step. Finally, the angle BAD equal angle BDA because it is the isosceles triangle. So it means B is the vertex. If you know B is the vertex, so we can find one side angle A and one side angle D. But we no need to find angle D. We only need to find angle A. So B is the vertex by we taking 180 minus the vertex and then divide by 2. So divide by 2, we know the answer angle A and angle D. But angle A, it is the answer that we need to find in our classwork. So finally, teacher review and try to explain already, right? So try to work carefully. Everyone, Thank you for your pay attention and see you next time.